Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get new emojis on Android device. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the emoji. Now select your desired pack and install it. Now open your app and agree to terms. Choose the enable and turn on the switcher next to your app. Configure it by OK and tap on the OK again. Now go back to the app and choose switch. Select your app. Now we can go back, open the keyboard, and as you can see we have a new keyboard with the new emojis. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.